Hi, my name is Michelle Zeitlin. I am a dancer, choreographer, talent manager, and I've been a judge, so I know the problems with choreography for competition. And I'm here to tell you that Choreography Online is an exciting new venture, and I'm very pleased to be asked to be on the ground floor and share my story. I have choreographed all over the world for film and television and music videos and commercials. I have staged solos, I have staged duos, I have staged small groups, I have staged massive stages like the Super Bowl halftime show. And the vocabulary of dancers these days is unbelievable. The tricks and the flexibility and the opportunities to create dance are really open-ended. I'm really excited to be involved with this venture, and I hope you'll work with me and use my choreography to your best advantage. The pieces that I'm offering have either been on stages in the UK to the US, or they have been in competition. And the reason I know they're valuable is because beyond being a choreographer and a dancer, I also have been a judge. So I've sat on this side of the table and I know the problems with competition choreography, and we see the same things over and over again. So I think it's really fresh, and I hope you will think the same, and I look forward to hearing from you and offering you my choreography.